Welcome to my channel, TaskMint. This channel is for students, job seekers, office employees, beginners in computers. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. Want to master the most useful Excel functions for adding data? Let's look at SUM, SUMIF, and SUMIFS. First, the SUM function. SUM simply adds numbers. Just type equals SUM, select your range, press enter, and you get the total instantly. Next, SUMIF. SUMIF adds values based on a single condition. For example, you can sum sales only for a specific product or region. Just type equals SUMIF, select the criteria range, add your condition, and then choose the sum range. Finally, SUMIFS. SUMIFS is even more powerful, it allows multiple conditions. You can sum data based on 2 or more criteria, like product and date together. Type equals SUMIFS, select the sum range, then add your conditions one by one. And that's it. Sum for simple totals, SUMIF for one condition, and SUMIFS for multiple conditions. Use these 3 functions to take your Excel skills to the next level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share.